In today's video, we're diving into the world of side hustles and uncovering some surprising tax benefits that could significantly impact your financial well-being. Understanding the tax advantages of side hustles is crucial for anyone looking to maximize their income and minimize their tax liabilities. So, if you're eager to learn more about practical financial advice and money management strategies, you're in the right place. When it comes to side hustles, many people focus solely on the extra income they can generate. However, what often gets overlooked are the tax benefits that come along with running a side business. By taking advantage of these tax breaks, you can keep more of your hard-earned money in your pocket and potentially boost your overall financial health. Practical financial advice is essential for anyone looking to make the most of their money. Whether you're saving for a big purchase, building an emergency fund, or planning for retirement, understanding how to leverage tax benefits can play a significant role in achieving your financial goals. And that's where side hustles come into play, offering unique opportunities to save on taxes while increasing your income streams. In this video, we'll be delving into some lesser-known tax advantages that side hustlers can benefit from. From deductions for home office expenses to write-offs for business-related travel, there are plenty of ways to optimize your tax situation and keep more money in your pocket. So, if you're ready to take your side hustle to the next level and make the most of your financial opportunities, stay tuned for some valuable insights and tips ahead. Exploring side hustles. In recent years, side hustles have become a popular way for individuals to supplement their income, pursue their passions, and gain more financial freedom. But what exactly are side hustles, and why are they gaining so much traction in today's economy? Side hustles are essentially part-time gigs or businesses that individuals pursue alongside their full-time jobs or other commitments. People often turn to side hustles to explore their interests, diversify their income streams, or simply make ends meet in an increasingly competitive job market. Whether it's freelancing, selling handmade crafts online, or offering consulting services, side hustles come in all shapes and sizes, catering to a wide range of skills and interests. Beyond just providing additional income, side hustles offer a host of benefits that can positively impact various aspects of your life. For starters, side hustles can provide a sense of fulfillment and purpose, allowing you to pursue your passions and interests outside of your regular job. They can also serve as a creative outlet, enabling you to explore new skills and talents that you may not have the opportunity to develop in your primary role. Moreover, side hustles can offer a level of financial security and independence, giving you more control over your income and future financial prospects. Whether you're looking to pay off debt, save for a big purchase, or build a nest egg for the future, a side hustle can be a valuable tool in achieving your financial goals. To inspire you on your side hustle journey, here are some common examples of side hustles that you may consider exploring: freelance writing, graphic design, social media management, tutoring, photography, and e-commerce. These are just a few ideas to get you started, but the possibilities are endless when it comes to finding a side hustle that aligns with your interests and goals. Tax benefits overview. When it comes to side hustles, understanding the tax implications can make a significant difference in your overall financial picture. Let's take a closer look at the general tax benefits available to individuals with side hustles and how they can impact your tax liabilities. One key concept to grasp is the difference between taxable income and deductions for side hustles. Taxable income refers to the total amount of income you earn from your side hustle, which is subject to taxation. On the other hand, deductions allow you to reduce your taxable income by subtracting certain expenses related to your side business, such as supplies, equipment, marketing costs, and even a portion of your home office expenses. Having a side hustle can also impact your tax brackets and liabilities. As your side hustle income increases, you may find yourself in a higher tax bracket, leading to a higher tax rate on your additional earnings. However, by strategically utilizing deductions and credits, you can potentially lower your taxable income and reduce the amount of taxes you owe. Tax deductions and credits related to side hustles can provide significant savings opportunities for individuals looking to maximize their tax benefits. Common deductions for side hustles may include expenses for business-related travel, professional development courses, software subscriptions, and even a portion of your internet and phone bills. Additionally, certain tax credits such as the Earned Income Tax Credit or the Child Independent Care Credit may also be available to eligible side hustlers, offering further opportunities to reduce your tax bill. By taking advantage of these tax benefits and understanding how they apply to your side hustle, you can optimize your tax situation, keep more of your hard-earned money, and set yourself up for financial success in the long run. Uncovering lesser-known tax advantages. When it comes to maximizing the tax benefits of your side hustle, there are specific deductions and credits that you may not be aware of, but can significantly impact your bottom line. Let's delve into some lesser-known tax advantages that side hustles can offer and how you can leverage them to your advantage. One unique deduction that side hustles may qualify for is the home office deduction. If you use a portion of your home exclusively for your side business activities, you may be able to deduct expenses related to that space, such as utilities, rent, mortgage interest, and property taxes. This deduction can provide substantial savings for side hustlers who operate their businesses from home. Certain tax credits are also available for specific types of side hustles. For example, if your side hustle involves research and development activities, you may be eligible for the Research and Development Tax Credit, which can offset a portion of your expenses related to innovation and product development. Additionally, if your side hustle involves hiring and training employees, you may qualify for the Work Opportunity Tax Credit, which provides incentives for hiring individuals from certain target groups. Proper record keeping is essential for maximizing tax benefits for your side hustle. By keeping detailed records of your income and expenses, you can accurately track your business activities and ensure that you are claiming all eligible deductions and credits. Maintaining organized financial records not only helps you stay compliant with tax regulations, but also allows you to identify opportunities for tax savings and optimization. By exploring these lesser-known tax advantages, highlighting available tax credits, and implementing effective record-keeping practices, you can unlock the full potential of your side hustle and make the most of the tax benefits available to you. Case studies and examples. To bring the concept of tax benefits for side hustles to life, let's explore some real-life case studies and examples that showcase how individuals have leveraged tax advantages to their advantage. By examining these scenarios, you can gain valuable insights into how different types of side hustles can lead to varied tax benefits and discover practical tips for applying similar strategies to your own side hustle. Case study 1. Sarah, a graphic designer, started a side hustle creating custom illustrations for clients in addition to her full-time job. By keeping detailed records of her business expenses, Sarah was able to deduct a portion of her home office expenses, art supplies, and software subscriptions. As a result, Sarah significantly reduced her taxable income and saved hundreds of dollars on her tax bill. Case study 2. John, a freelance writer, decided to turn his passion for storytelling into a profitable side hustle. Through his freelance writing business, John qualified for the Qualified Business Income Deduction, which allowed him to deduct up to 20% of his business income from his taxable income. This deduction not only lowered John's tax liability, but also incentivized him to continue growing his side hustle. These case studies demonstrate how individuals from different backgrounds and industries can benefit from tax advantages in their side hustles. Whether you're a creative entrepreneur, a service provider, or a product seller, there are unique tax benefits available to help you optimize your financial situation. To apply similar strategies to your own side hustle, consider keeping meticulous records of your income and expenses, exploring deductions and credits specific to your industry, and consulting with a tax professional to ensure you're maximizing your tax benefits. By learning from these real-life examples and implementing practical tips, you can make the most of the tax advantages that side hustles have to offer and enhance your overall financial well-being. By leveraging the tax advantages available to side hustlers, you can enhance your financial well-being and set yourself up for long-term success. Throughout this video, we've highlighted the importance of understanding the tax benefits of side hustles, from deductions for home office expenses to tax credits for specific types of businesses. By strategically utilizing these tax advantages, you can reduce your taxable income, lower your tax liabilities, and ultimately keep more of your hard-earned money in your pocket. It's crucial to recognize that side hustles offer more than just additional income. They provide a gateway to financial growth and independence. By taking proactive steps to optimize your tax situation, you can create a solid foundation for achieving your financial goals and securing your financial future. We encourage you to take action today by implementing the strategies and tips shared in this video. Keep detailed records of your income and expenses, explore potential deductions and credits specific to your side hustle, and seek guidance from financial professionals to ensure you're making the most of the tax benefits available to you. Together, let's unlock the full potential of our side hustles and pave the way for a brighter financial future.